I am making Jimmy Dean turkey sausage crumbles. I've already made this bowl in glass, this bowl in plastic, and 2 additional bowls in my microwave. Every time I cook it, it catches on fire. I'm going to cook it this much by directions in the microwave. This much in a plastic bowl, 15 seconds. Oops, sorry. 15 seconds. Says microwave directions. Place half a cup crumbles into microwave on high 30 to 40 seconds. I'm doing half of that time. Shh. It's catching on fire. I thought it was the plastic bowl. See it smoking? So I went and got a plain glass bowl. This one already caught on fire. Use another glass bowl. Clean glass new bowl. Per directions. A little bit less. Harrison, James, be quiet, please.
I'm talking to Sasha.
Clear glass bowl, clean. 15 seconds. Again, half the cook time. Start. On fire again. What the heck, Jimmy Dean?